Today is my first day, and we went to training for working on chainsaws. You know, you get to work on machinery, which is cool. They'll train you for that if you really want to get into that. You know, you get to hop on a bunch of machineries, rollers, lawnmowers, and stuff like that.
Yeah, we have plenty of variety. We have 6 different divisions within parks. You might be working on streetscapes. You might be working in the open space.
Do inspections on the parks to make sure that all the bolts and the nuts are in place.
Repair irrigation, program the irrigation.
Sprinkler systems, repairs, doing the system checks.
Maintain trees.
Clear out beaver dams, we help with flood control, creek surveys, preserve surveys. We have about 3,000 acres of preserves.
I work on everything from buildings to drinking fountains, pouring concrete, you name it.
So coming to work for the city has a lot of benefits. One, it's a great place to work with great staff. You'll be part of a wonderful team. There's a lot of training opportunities. It's a great environment, working environment outdoors. There's a lot of diversity in the job. And the city's a big city, so whether you stay in parks or move on to a different department, it gives you a lot of opportunities.
What I like about it is the people, not just the people we work with, but the community. You're providing experience for them to come and enjoy the park.
The learning experiences, you meet a lot of people who've been here for a long time, so they have a lot of experience that they can teach you.
So when I came into working with Roseville Parks, I had 0 experience outside of mowing my front lawn. Been given plenty of opportunities to learn and continue to grow.
So the type of people we're looking for to come work for the city are people who are just motivated, you know, ready to work, want to be a team player, care about the quality of their work. If you have those traits, you're ready to come work for us.